Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanya. Today I'm super excited. I will be doing a unboxing and a quick preview of the Morphie 501 30-piece master set, and it came to me in the mail. And if you like to stick around and see this quick review, then keep on watching. Also, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll get all my uploaded videos, and I will see you in the video. Okay, so I will just want to give you guys a heads up. I am unboxing this set, so I'm going to be looking over at my computer a little bit and telling you what brush is for what and what number it is and what it does. I'm also looking, I'm like, wow, it is sold out online. This brush set has on the Morphie.com website, it's getting 1, 2, 3, 4.5 reviews. So I'm assuming that they are very good brushes. So let's go ahead and jump into the video without all the chatter. So this is what it looks like. So, oh, sorry, I'm dropping stuff. Okay, so it's like a little faux leather or pleather bag set, and I've gone through it and taken all the plastic off of it. If you like to tie this around your belt, your waist, you can. It has the belt with the little clamp. I'm sorry, let me go ahead and just give you guys another look up close. This is how it looks when it comes. Very nice and professional looking. Very nice, holding it back. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and quickly go through the brushes, make this short and sweet. Okay, so this brush right here is the brush S3, and it is called a Deluxe Medium Foundation Brush. Good quality, nice and soft. This brush is the Morphie 310 brush, and it is called the Large Soft Fan Brush. And it's just from the little packaging, you know, some of the hairs, I'll clip those off. This is the Morphie 460, which is called a flat contour brush. See, it has the very dense right here. Good to get on in those corners. And you have the Morphie 439, which is called Deluxe Buffer Brush. It's the number 439. And I haven't found any hair shedding. The brush looks like. Very dense and compact. Okay, and something's on my table getting on my brushes. This is the M106, which is a pointed dome brush. Very soft. Fluffy, no hair shedding. The next brush is a large chisel powder brush, which is the M400. The packaging is cute, the silver, and the kind of reminds me of my Sigma brushes. So this is very soft. You can use it for powder, blush, or something like that. Really nice quality brushes for the price. This is the M414, and this is a Deluxe Groomer brush. Just to brush up your eyebrows or eyebrow hairs, things, that sort. The next brush is the Morphie M104 angle brush. An angle, very soft. The next brush is the Morphie 462, which is called the Duo Powder Dome Brush. It did get a little warped in the packaging, but I have not washed these brushes, but I have not experienced any shedding or anything. This next brush is the Morphie S94, and this is called the Mini Buffer Contour Brush. Now this one got bent up pretty nice.
Dark Star Music.
Looks like this. And I think it would be a good dense foundation brush. Very dense. This next brush is the M105. I'm sorry, M105. And this is a tapered blush brush. I'd probably use this for powder highlight. And this is a large fan brush, but this is the M143, and it is the Deluxe soft fan brush. And as you can see, there it is again. It kind of got bent out of shape. So, but I would say I would probably highlight, you know, elbows, shoulder bones, things of that sort. And I'll be back with these smaller brushes. Okay, so now we're going to get into our eyeshadow brushes. This is the Morphie 208, and this is the Chisel Deluxe Fluff brush, which I am not sure why they call this a fluff brush. I would be using this to apply eyeshadow. That's weird for that name. This one is the Morphie M200, which is the Deluxe Crease brush. Kind of slender. Very soft. Next is the M209, which is the Chisel pointed fluff brush. The 209. I'm not sure why it's considered pointed and fluffy. Next is the M222, which is a round crease brush. Very dense. Next is the M330, which is a blending crease brush. Reminds me of my MAC. I think it's a 224, but smaller. Kind of long for a blending brush, but we will see. Next is the M332 fluffy crease brush, another one. Very dense, so I don't know how well that will blend, but I will let you guys see these in the tutorial. The next brush is the M215, which is a brow brush, which that come in handy. Angled brush to fill in your brows. I'm sorry. And this one is the M124, which is a firm shadow brush. And then you have the M250-S, which they call this a detail brush. I would probably try to use it for eyeliner. Okay, and lastly, we have the M221. And this is an eyelash detail brush. It has the, I couldn't get this off of there, but this is like the metal to rake your eyelashes. Then you have the M420 angled shader brush. Very dense. Next you have the S4, which is a Deluxe oval concealer brush. And you have the M13, which is called the Talcon Square brush. Good to clean up them brows. And here's the S6. And this is a Deluxe angle liner brush, which is a bit thick for me to do eyeliner, probably for brows. This is the M326. And this is a Pro Precision smudger brush, like a very small brush. And we have the M204, which is a small red sable oval brush. I don't know what to use this for. Probably glitter or something. And this one is the M431 Precision Pencil Crease Brush. And then last, I have the M416, which is a mini, get it in focus here. It is a mini sable lip brush. Okay, so initially when I purchased these brushes, it has been a little minute. These brushes were marked on the website for $150. They are now marked down to $75 as I can see. However, they are out of stock. Overall, for the price, I think it's a lot of brushes to start out with. Nice packaging. I think they will hold up pretty well for someone maybe starting out in the makeup business, or just want a good set of brushes to have to start out doing makeup with. I don't think the price is bad. They look good. I will do a update to let you guys know how the brushes hold up, and also you will see the brushes in tutorials. Leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite Morphie brushes are. Thank you once again for watching my video. I hope you like this tutorial or review, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.